Hello, Pop-Uppers! This is Cheche. How are you today? I hope you are doing very well. Today is already April, and as we know, April is spring season. So here's another video of pop-up illustration that I'm going to share with you. Come and join me. Let's make pop-up flowers. As you can see, I have prepared the spread already with some leaves. I just use the colored pencils. And these are the pop-up elements that we're going to use. Some green leaves and some colorful flowers. In this pop-up illustration, I am just using the very simple V-fold mechanism to make these elements pop up. You can try this at home, of course. You can add more details like more flowers or more elements like leaves and the other plants. You can do it. Let's make our April colorful. Thank you very much, Pop-Uppers. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye!